Hello, in this video I'm gonna answer your question if Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with a screen protector pre-installed. No, it does not. It does not come with a screen protector, nor neither pre-installed nor in the box. You can buy it yourself. Just find the right one for your Samsung Galaxy S25. And remember that the screen protector may reduce the sensitivity of your screen, especially the fingerprint sensor, but it's not always the case, and in case it is, then you can go to the settings and go to display. Then find the touch sensitivity, and if it's enabled, it'll increase the sensitivity. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.